Vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners because of their durability, low maintenance, and ability to improve indoor comfort. However, the performance of vinyl windows doesn't depend on the product alone. Even the highest quality windows can fall short if they aren't installed correctly. Professional installation plays a critical role in ensuring vinyl windows deliver the comfort, reliability, and long-term value homeowners expect. Why installation is just as important as the window itself. Vinyl windows are designed to seal tightly, insulate effectively, and operate smoothly, but only when they fit perfectly within the window opening. Improper installation can create gaps, uneven alignment, or stress on the frame. These issues reduce the window's ability to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures the window functions as a complete system rather than just a replacement piece placed into an opening. Achieving a proper, airtight seal. One of the biggest benefits of vinyl windows is their ability to reduce air leaks. This advantage depends heavily on correct installation. Professional installers take precise measurements and prepare the opening properly so the window fits snugly. They apply sealing materials evenly around the entire frame, creating an airtight barrier that prevents unwanted airflow. This tight seal helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduces drafts near window areas. Preventing alignment and operational issues. Vinyl windows must be installed level and square to operate smoothly. If a window is even slightly misaligned, it can become difficult to open or close over time. Professional installation ensures the window sits evenly within the opening. This reduces strain on locks, tracks, and hardware, allowing the window to function smoothly for years without sticking or jamming. Supporting long-term frame stability. Vinyl frames are designed to remain stable, but improper installation can cause stress points that lead to warping or shifting. Professional installers secure the window correctly and provide proper support around the frame. This helps the vinyl material maintain its shape and performance over the long term, protecting the homeowner's investment. Reducing moisture-related problems. Moisture intrusion is a common issue when windows aren't installed correctly. Poor sealing or flashing can allow water to collect around the window opening. Professional installation includes proper moisture management techniques that direct water away from the window and surrounding structure. This helps prevent condensation, interior moisture buildup, and damage to walls or trim. Enhancing energy efficiency benefits. Vinyl windows are known for their energy-efficient performance, but those benefits can be compromised by improper installation. Professional installation ensures insulation around the window opening is applied correctly, preventing heat transfer through gaps. This allows homeowners to experience the full comfort and efficiency benefits vinyl windows are designed to provide. Improving comfort near window areas. Drafty or uncomfortable window areas are often the result of installation issues rather than window quality. When vinyl windows are professionally installed, seating and living areas near windows become more comfortable and usable. Homeowners can enjoy consistent temperatures throughout the room without cold or warm spots. Minimizing maintenance and future repairs. Improper installation often leads to frequent adjustments, seal repairs, or hardware issues. Over time, these small problems add up. Professional installation reduces the likelihood of ongoing maintenance by ensuring everything is done correctly from the start. Homeowners benefit from windows that perform reliably without constant attention. Protecting warranties and peace of mind. Many vinyl window warranties require professional installation to remain valid. Improper installation can void coverage and leave homeowners responsible for repairs. Choosing professional installation protects both the window and the warranty, offering peace of mind that the investment is fully supported. Getting the most from your vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are designed to provide long-term comfort, efficiency, and ease of use, but only when installed properly. Professional installation ensures every feature works as intended. For homeowners, investing in professional installation is the key to maximizing vinyl window performance. It transforms a quality product into a lasting upgrade that delivers comfort, reliability, and value for years to come.